By the end of the video, we'll know Starting Calisthenics, your personalized bodyweight routine. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of calisthenics, a bodyweight training method that builds strength, flexibility, and endurance. This personalized routine is tailored to help you build the foundation for your fitness journey. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Here's your personalized 30-day calisthenics routine. Week 1, 3 times a week. 10 push-ups, 10 bodyweight squats, 10 dips or chair dips if you don't have a dip bar, 1 minute plank hold, and 1 minute reverse plank hold. Week 2, 4 times a week. 5 pull-ups if you can't do pull-ups yet. Replace with inverted rows or add 1 set of each exercise from week 1. Bodyweight squats, increase to 20 reps per set to sets. Dips are increase to 20 reps per set to sets. Add another plank variation per day. Side plank hold and hollow body hold for a minute each. Week 3, 5 times a week or every other day to avoid overworking muscles. Increase pull-ups or inverted rows to 8 reps per set to sets. And add wall sits or box step-ups with the same frequency as other exercises from the previous weeks. Add an additional plank variation, low plank or high plank hold for a minute each. Keep squats at week 1's intensity, dips at week 2's intensity, and add another new exercise, handstand dips or shoulder taps. Keep these exercises at 1 set each with the same frequency in other exercises from previous weeks. Remember, everyone is different, so feel free to customize your routine based on your fitness level. Also, rest when needed. You can modify the frequency of workouts or even take some days off if your body needs it. Don't push yourself too hard. Safety comes first. Enjoy this journey towards healthier living. Remember to stay committed and consistent. If you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also benefit from it. Stay fit and stay strong.